We should be copying this down into our table of contents. Today's notes are 12.2 Graphing Systems of Inequalities. Your notes will be on this pink sheet. If you have two different color highlighters, that would be great. It'll help you see the solutions better when we're done. First step, make sure inequalities are in slope-intercept form. That's y equals mx plus b. Then you want to start at the y-intercept, which is your b. You want to use the rise of a run to plot 2 more points. That is our slope. Determine if the line will be solid or dashed, then draw the line and add arrows. That is determined by the inequality symbol. If it is equal to, it is solid. If it is not equal to, it is dashed. You will then shade above or below the line. It also depends on the inequality symbol. Repeat steps 2 through 5 for the next inequality. Once again, you can have 2 images on one graph. 2 different color shadings. The region that is shaded both colors is my solution. If you have greater than equal to or less than equal to, you have a solid line. If you have greater than or less than, without that line under it, then it will be a dashed line. You shade above when you have greater than, so greater than equal to or greater than. You shade below when you have less than equal to or just less than. Now let's try this example. In the first one, we start at -3. Put a dot at -3 on the y. You're going to move 2 over 1, up 2 to the right 1. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2 over 1. This symbol does not have the equal to, so it's going to be a dashed line. Since it's greater than, we are going to shade above. Since the graph is small, I'm going to shade everything. Now you try to graph the next one on this same picture. So you would start at 2, 0, 0, 2. Which is here. You will move up 1 to the right 3, up 1 to the right 3. There's a line which means it is solid. Less than means shade below. So the blue was my new color. Where the blue and the yellow meet to make this green, that is my solution area. Everything in here is a solution, because all of those points make both of those statements true. Try number 2 on your own. For this first one, you start at 5. You move down 2 to the right 3. It is going to be dashed and shade below. Now the next one isn't in the correct form. Try to see if you can put it into y equals mx plus b on your own. You would first want to move the 4x by subtracting it. which leaves you with negative 2y is greater than or equal to negative 4x plus 6. You then want to divide by negative 2, which gives you y. Now remember, because I divided by negative, this sign flips. So y is less than or equal to 2x minus 3. Try to graph this. You start at negative 3. You move up 2 over 1, up 2 to the right 1. Your line will be solid, and you're going to shade below. Shading below means under the line, so I'm going to shade all of this. So everything that has two colors in this area here is my solution. That is it. You have an assignment to work on now. This assignment is due tomorrow. The first 3 questions are based on today's notes. It says, sketch the solution to each system of inequalities. Same as example 1 and 2 from our notes. This is not on tomorrow's test. The backside, solve each system using any method. They are equal signs. No shading is needed. This is on tomorrow's test. Make sure you prepare, you're ready. Ask your classmates if you need help, but we need to make sure we're ready to pass this last test. Please be on your best behavior from here until the end of the period, and please get all your work done. You also have the assignment from yesterday. Which was this one here, to complete and make sure it is fully done, because I will be checking it tomorrow.